Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video here showing you guys my profits for today. Today is September 3rd, 2020. And as you can see here, my profit on the day is $72.80. Just absolutely crazy. Today was a huge sell-off day. You can see the trend right here. So yeah, let's just break it down. Let's just get into it one time. Okay, I just want to point out, again, today has been absolutely insane. It's just, if I draw an arrow, you can clearly see that the trend is just going down. So hopefully you didn't lose any money today and you were very patient when it comes to trading. For me, again, I usually take my time. You can see here in the morning, you have to give it time to see where it's actually going to react. We saw that it was trying to push up, but we all knew that Amazon itself and all other tech stocks were killing it for these past days, and matter of fact months and weeks. It was actually inevitable for it to come down, and today was actually that day. You can see here that I took my first trade around 10:50, so even closer. So you can see where the volume actually started picking up in the sell-off and all that. You see the volume bars right here, and then it started to pick up going over the EMA, and that's when I actually take my first trade. And I just want to point out, usually I trade with 20 shares. Today I traded with 10 shares, as you can see here, making a total of 4 trades on the day, giving me $72. Actually, the last bit of the day, which is at the end, that's where I made most of my money. But in the beginning, right here, I took my first trade. I got in 34.01, got out 34.2. That's like a $10 spread right there. And then 33.92, got out 33.93, and then waited for it to sell off. I want you to actually see where it's selling off, and then again, it's all about a patient game. So I only took my trade after it came above the EMA right here as well. You can see that after it crosses the EMA, I got in, and then I get out 30.90. So I was pretty much $30 on the day for the most, and I just let the sell-off happen. You just gotta be patient. Today was all about a patience day. And then at the end, you can see where the volume itself, you can see the volume started picking back up. And like I said before, because you can see it kept testing to break through. Only after it breaks through, then I was able to get in and then get out 33.56, and then sold out at 33.59, giving me a total of $72 on the day. If we take a look here at /NQ, we can see a huge sell-off happen today, a huge sell-off. We are down 4.95, or almost $600 on the day, 600 points on the day. And same goes for Amazon. If you take a look here at Amazon, we can see that it is down 4.36% on the day. It's just absolutely insane. Hopefully, like I said in the beginning, you didn't lose any money. But for me, I was very patient. I minimized my trades like I usually talk about. Only took 4 trades for today, and that was just absolutely amazing. And that's what we want to see. We want to see consistency, and we want to see that you keep putting yourself in a position where you're able to walk out on the green. Again, it's all about the process, not the profit. So you can see that every time I took a trade, it was all about the process. The profits will always come when you have consistency. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below, how did you actually do today? How did you, hopefully you didn't lose a ton of money, and hopefully you were able to walk away on the green. Are you planning on trading again tomorrow? If you lost money, are you going to fall back? Let me know in the comment section. I just wanted to point that out. Again, I just wanted to make a really short video for you guys to enjoy, and hopefully you can see my process between my trades and how I walked out with this, with my profits on the day. So yeah, like I said, if you, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe, notification, man, all that good stuff, man. You know what to do, man. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.